Hello everyone, so in the first video we installed Fiddler and now we are going to install exploit kit Fiddle. Follow the link in the description, it will lead you to GitHub and there you will find the package that you need to download and which will contain the files needed. So yeah, let's start. The file that we are going to need is called EKFiddleExtension.exe and let's double click on it. So the screen that you will get should look like, let me see if I can get it. Nope, that's not it. This is it. Alright. So we click on, or we press on any key. I don't have the any key, so I will just press on enter. Fun intended. Alright. That's it. We just installed exploit kit Fiddler. Let's see if we have it running now. Alright, let's see. I can share that screen also with you. So I just started Fiddler and I got this pop-up message, and let's click on OK. Alright, so it says it has been installed successfully. It gives you the warning about the app container, which we also saw in the first video. Again, I'm going to click on no, but do take your time to read into it. And there we go. As you can see, oh wait, I need to share that screen with you. Nice, it doesn't show the menu, but in the upper menu, so above stream, you will get a new window. So it's really weird that it's not showing that. Alright, but it will contain exploit kit Fiddler. And you will see regular expressions, advanced filters, user interface mode, a lot of cool stuff. Let's see if I can open something. So to show you, I just clicked on update the regular expressions and it did say that it is up to date. So it is installed, I just can't show it very clearly to you at this moment. But yeah, it's a cool tool. And it enables you to utilize regular expressions, to perform deeper dives into the network traffic that you are seeing or routing to the proxy. And let's give some respect to the Malware InfoSec team. Great job, guys. I love this tool. And yeah, in the next video I'm going to show you some demonstrations and hopefully I can record it for you. But yeah, that's it. We have just installed EKFiddle on the system, and this now allows us to use regular expressions on the traffic that we are seeing via a nice user interface. This is very powerful. You can customize the regular expressions, you can do a lot of stuff inside of it, and yeah, it's a great research tool. Let me know if you have any questions. Did everything go well? If the installation is not a success, let me know and maybe I can help. Again, if you like this video and if you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe to the channel. It really helps. Peace.